Best Home Gyms. We collect top 6 best home gyms. Among the whole brand, Smart Reviews is the best channel for reviews. Please subscribe and share and click below description link for more details. I don't really know if there is such a thing as the best home gyms for the money, but the world is fast-paced and time has become a valuable commodity as we search for convenience in an already hectic, busy and stressful lifestyle. So it made me spend some time researching the best compact home gym or best small home gyms out there. These days efficiency and multifunctional is sexy and space is becoming limited at home. With everything we tend to accumulate, or as we strive to be more efficient in usage of space at home or in apartments. I want to emphasize the phrase best at home gyms because this has come up a lot in the best home gym reviews I have read, but in my humble opinion, there can be no best home gym unless you decide it is. I'll get to my point later. Too many of us start with this idea or jolt where we see some form of motivation on TV or the internet and jump into an exercise regime without good planning, resulting in expensive equipment, becoming ornaments, gathering dust, or taking up space in a spare bedroom or basement. Having referred to these specific reviews earlier, it seems you need to shell out between $3,500 $5,000 for something with good build quality, good all-round features, decent warranty, that is practical and gives you value for money. My knee-jerk reaction was that this sum seems pretty expensive, and that equates to a few years of club membership with the latest equipment and variation therein.